Hey guys, welcome to another macOS tutorial. Here in this video, we'll discuss how we can install Microsoft Edge browser on macOS. So with that being said, let's get started. To install Microsoft Edge browser on your macOS, simply open the Safari browser and search for Microsoft Edge and open the link from microsoft.com. Don't worry about the download link. I'll provide the download link in the description box. Now to download Microsoft Edge browser, simply click on this Download Edge button. Simply agree the Microsoft software license term, then click on Accept and Download. After that, it will download the Microsoft Edge browser package file. Once the download process has been completed, simply open this file. So here we have the installation window. Let me minimize the browser. Here click on Continue. Now simply click on Install. Now enter your system password. Then click on Install Software. Now wait for the installation process to complete. Once you get this window, the installation was successful, simply click on Close. If you want to delete the Microsoft Edge browser installer file, then you can simply click on Move to Trash. Now to open Microsoft Edge browser, simply click on this Launchpad icon and here look for Microsoft Edge. So here we have the browser, simply click on it. Now simply follow the on-screen instruction to set up your Microsoft Edge browser. Then click on Start Browsing. So that's it. This is how you can install Microsoft Edge browser on macOS. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more macOS related videos. Bye for now. See you next video.